Hi everyone, Joe Brady here, and I'd like to invite you to join us for this year's Scotland Photo Tour, a wonderful vacation trip designed for both photographers and their partners. What makes this tour unique is our private coach and our driver and guide, Gordon. No being quickly herded from place to place. We decide where and when to explore and how long to visit each spot. Our small group will be relaxed and friendly as we motor around this beautiful country. We'll take our time exploring and have time to sightsee, shop, and dine during a week that will be both relaxing and invigorating. A visit to the beautiful fishing village of Oban and a ferry trip to the Isle of Staffa will let us visit with and photograph the adorable puffins. Here's a sum up from our last tour. So I'm back in Oban Harbor, got a beautiful scene behind me, and it also proves that it doesn't always rain in Scotland. What a gorgeous morning. In fact, it's so sunny I had to put on sunglasses for this. It's a wonderful place to photograph. We had castles, we had wildlife, we had incredible scenery, and we just had a great time. And by the way, the food's pretty good too. We even had haggis. We'd love to have you join us on one of our photo tours or workshops. So if you have any questions, just send us an email, give us a call. We'd love to have you join us. We always have a great time, great photography, and great fun. So until then, keep shooting, have a lot of fun, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.